I'm Emma, Camp Tuku's counselor in training. Today, I'm going to show you how to make healthy banana bread on Camp Tuku Live.
So the ingredients that you're going to need is a 1/3 cup of oil, 1/2 cup of honey or maple syrup, 2 eggs, 1 cup of mashed ripe bananas, a 1/4 cup of milk, and this can be any kind you want, and I'm using almond milk, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and another 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And then you're also going to need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 3/4 cups of any flour you want. So while the oven is preheating to 325 degrees Fahrenheit in a large bowl, you're going to want to put the oil and the honey together and whisk. So after the oil and the honey are beat together with the whisk, you're going to want to add the eggs, the mashed bananas, and the milk and whisk them all together. Now you're going to add the baking soda, salt, and cinnamon, as well as the vanilla, and then you're going to whisk those together. Lastly, you're going to switch to, instead of a whisk, either a spatula or a big spoon, and you're going to stir it in the flour. So now your banana bread is almost ready to pop into the oven, and if you want, you can add any toppings. So I'm going to add some chocolate chips, but you can add anything else like pecans, walnuts, dried fruit, anything like that. So I'm gonna add these in, and in any size pan, it doesn't really matter, you're gonna put in your mix and you're gonna pop it into the oven for about 50 minutes to an hour, or until you put a toothpick in and it comes out clean. So now I'm gonna pop these in the oven, and I'll update you guys in about 45 minutes to see how it's doing. Alright, so the banana bread is ready. It looks so yummy and I'm so excited to dig in. Thank you so much for joining in on today's episode of Camp Tuku Live, where nature meets joyful minds. Please give us a like and consider sharing this with your family and friends at home. See you next week.